Hi everyone, Dratini here, and I got some new Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom toys. They're right there, and I'll show you the first one. Here we have the Raptor. He's not going to be in my series because the Raptors in Jurassic World are dead. Spoiler alert, sorry. This one can leap a little bit. Ooh, fuck. Oh god. Here, leap for me. Thing. There you go. Yeah, this one can leap. You like the Raptor, like the big one from the first one. Yeah, it's kind of cool. Over right there. Now we have the Pteranodon. Yeah. This one kind of reminds me of the Jurassic Park 3 one. Because the head sculpt. But there's a button right here so you can like a flap. Yeah. Oh, the sculpt is awesome. Body looks phenomenal. It's great. Yeah, this is definitely the Pteranodon you see in the movies. Yeah. Here we have the first Gallimimus. This is this is the first Gallimimus I review. But I didn't review. I meant this is my first Gallimimus I got. Well, that was the second one. Yeah, this one's cool. I don't know how you do this for a series, but I need more Gallimimuses. From Papo or Schleich or whatever. Yeah. Here's the Dilophosaurus. It wasn't featured in Fallen Kingdom with the shame. I wish it was. Yeah, it was first appeared in Jurassic Park, the original one, back in 1993, I think? Yeah, this one's cool. I don't know where the trigger is to push the thing. I don't know what. But it looks cool. It's very detailed. I don't know why Hasbro can give us this. Mattel can. Well, Hasbro lost the license anyway, though. They deserve it. God. Here are the other Gallimimus. Oh god. Yeah, another Gallimimus. This is cool too. Different paint jobs on these guys. You see, yeah, they're kind of compatible with each other. Now we have the last but not least, the Dimorphodon. Yeah, the Dimorphodon. I like a the dragon poses like you see in some movies, in dragon movies. Yeah, it looks kind of cool. It's kind of cool like that. Alright. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Sorry that was very short. And please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye. And the series is coming soon. I just need some help from my cousins. Right?